Welcome to this video on the hidden science of smart grids. We will explore why real-time power factor optimization is the silent engine of the modern city, focusing on future grid dynamics. We are defining the future of energy infrastructure. This involves a critical shift from passive systems to intelligent, self-regulating ecosystems. The smart grid is built upon three core pillars: edge monitoring, which provides granular data; two-way comm, enabling dynamic load balancing; and automated logic, which uses AI-driven decision-making to instantly adjust grid parameters. We must address the efficiency gap, known as the power factor. It's the ratio of real power, which does the actual work, to apparent power, the total power the grid must supply. The difference is reactive power, which is essentially wasted. Typical grid loads are dominated by inductive loads like motors and ACs, making up about 60%. This inductive dominance causes the current to lag behind the voltage, lowering the power factor and reducing efficiency. Visualize the waste with the beer analogy. Apparent power is the whole glass, but real power is only the liquid. Low power factor means lots of wasted foam or reactive power, leading to massive grid strain. A high power factor maximizes usable liquid. The smart grid offers a solution. We will now examine how digital logic is used to heal this phase lag and achieve maximum efficiency. Dynamic power factor management utilizes three key elements: smart inverters, which inject or absorb reactive power locally; fax devices, which provide high-speed voltage regulation; and predictive AI, which anticipates load spikes to mitigate lag. The impact on efficiency and capacity is significant. By optimizing the power factor, we can increase grid capacity by up to 20% without new cables. This moves efficiency from 78% in a traditional grid to 97% in an optimized smart grid. Grid control is evolving. From electromechanical systems in the 1980s and digital monitoring in the 2000s to smart meters in the 2015s. The future, beyond 2025, is the autonomous grid with real-time, self-healing phase optimization via AI. Scaling to the smart city, a city-scale smart grid creates a living energy network. This results in cost reduction, easier integration of green energy, and increased resilience through isolated microgrids. Thank you for exploring the future of energy efficiency and the hidden science of smart grids. For further discussion, please reach out to the contact information